Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can input this micro USB card to your outdoor receiver of the Xiaomi camera. So first of all, you have to rotate your device like that, and when you take a look on the back you can find few inputs, and we have to focus on this one. So what we have to do, just simply put our micro SD card in this position, like on this description right here. So make it like that, and then use your fingernail, just take a look, and you will hear this click sound. It means that right now it's inside and it will be automatically detected by your device. For sure, you can simply unplug it by using your fingernail or any other thin tool. So just be careful and do it gently. Don't push it if everything is wrong, so try to put it back and put it correctly. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.